Hi guys, I'm gonna give you all a quick apartment tour. We rented this luxury 4-bedroom house in the center of Interlaken and it is mind-blowing. We're actually leaving right now, so the house might be a little bit in a mess, but it is so stunning. Come on. So right as we enter here, we have a fully equipped kitchen. This is the gas. We have all the necessary things here. This is completely stocked with everything that we need. They've got all kinds of cups, glasses, bowls. They have an espresso machine, a toaster, literally everything. It is so impressive. Look at this. Like literally equipped with every tiny thing. Even they have like kids blockades. Here we have the dining table, the sofa, the TV. It is extremely comfortable and spacious for a huge family. This is the best part of the house. Right here we have this table where we used to actually have dinner every single night. We have a foosball table for entertainment. Great loungy chairs to sit back and enjoy the view. And a sofa in case you want to sit with a cup of coffee. And that, my friends, is the best view in Interlaken, literally. Right there you can also see the Jungfrau, but it's not a very clear day today, so you can't see it right now, but it is so stunning. All of us have literally been having our morning and evening coffee sitting on these chairs and it's been so comfortable. I have to show you guys the rooms. Follow me. I honestly wish I could have a house like this back home. This is the master bedroom. It is spacious enough to fit a crib and it is attached to the balcony. This is one of the washrooms that we have. Right here is the second bedroom. It's where Manish and I were staying. Extremely cozy. That was our view. As we move ahead, this is the second bedroom. It is so cute. Every bedroom has these French windows and they all have a great view. From every corner of this house you can see the mountains. And they're also equipped with these luggage stands and a heater in case you need it. There is ample wardrobe space and they've even given an ironing board. They've given a vacuum cleaner. Literally every detail has been taken care of. This is the second washroom. It has the washing machine and the dryer and a tub. And this, my friends, is the last bedroom. Just look at these. It is so cute. That is our view. And that, my friends, is my fantastic apartment. I hope you guys like the video and I'm going to link down the apartment below in the comments and I hope you have fun. See you.